I said that I wanted a medium fry, but then when the person like confirmed my order, they're like, okay, so you said a large fry and a large frozen Coke, and I was like, you know what, that actually does sound good. Yes, I sure did. So now I got a large fry. Snugs. So the drain hose is in here, and as soon as I unplug it, water starts gushing out. So I brought a bucket. I literally don't think it's gonna work though. Like, I couldn't put anything under here to catch what's about to come out. This is the second time it's happened, so I literally just have to like undo it and see what happens. Ooh. I see why it's not draining. And water didn't come out this time. Okay. I'm gonna leave the towel here because it did leak a little bit more today, so I'm gonna leave that down. And I'll just try it again. Second time's the charm. And last time, nothing happened until after the cycle had started, so it doesn't pay to sit here and watch it. Oh, baby. Yo, you good? He has allergies. my outfit I'm going with for today. I'm wearing my white Vans with Champion high socks, my shorts that I got from Old Navy. I don't know that they really look good with this bodysuit, but I don't care because they're cozy. The bodysuit is from a boutique in the mall. I don't think it's a global thing. And then just me, I didn't do my hair, didn't do my makeup. This is just what we're going with. I have physical therapy at 2:15. It's noon right now. Oh, my sunglasses are hot. It's noon right now, so I am going to go and hopefully finish up my squish video, and then at 1 I'm gonna go to my cousin's house because she has a new baby, and I asked her if she felt good enough to have company, and she did. So I'm gonna get a Starbucks and then go to her house. So I have an hour to do the rest of my squish video, as well as stop at Starbucks and grab a drink, but I know how I can do it all and not run short of time, hopefully, but that means that I've got to stick with it. Okay, so anyways, my next clips are gonna be the squish video for tomorrow, because today is Tuesday.
Welcome McDonald's. Will you be using our mobile app today?
Not today.
What can I get for you?
Can I please get a medium fry and a medium frozen Coke?
Okay, will that be all for you today?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, I have the total for you at first one down.
Thank you. Oh, this is my cute new Brixley bag. So it has all these like loops, so you can make it like a crossbody bag, shoulder, whatever you want. Hold on, I gotta pay.
507.
So I met my cousin's baby. She's very, very cute. And then I had physical therapy, which was not fun. But I had that at 2:15, so I thought. And it was 2:20 when I left my cousin's house. And when I got there, I was like, oh, I'm so sorry, like, I am so late. I was 15 minutes late. And she was like, Carlee, you're only a minute late. And I'd actually been there for multiple minutes. Okay, 1 second. Thank you. You too. And she was like, your appointment was at 2:30. I was like, oh my gosh. I left my cousin's house at 2:20 thinking I was gonna be unbelievably late. So anyways, it all worked out. My phone isn't working because my service plan ended and I didn't realize it. So now I'm gonna see if I can eat and get that all sorted out and use McDonald's Wi-Fi. I could go home and do it, but I'm just gonna sit here and eat for a little bit. So I will check in with you guys later. I'm all showered and ready just to relax for the rest of my evening. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for yet another video. Bye guys.